it's your boy Ben Gamer. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get Windows 10 Pro for free or activate any Windows Edition. So this Windows Edition I'm on is a virtual box, but trust me, it's not a virus. It's on my PC as I'm running. I'm recording with OBS, and OBS is running on my main PC with Windows 10 Pro fully activated. So to show you it's not activated, as you see I'm in settings and it's asking me, and there you go. And to show you it's Windows 10 Pro, in fact there it is up there. So the way I do it, I need a key to get up there that's invalid, so just copy any 3 keys in the description, then click change product key, put any key in. So it will load, then it will say upgrade your Windows Edition, blah 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 blah. Okay, now you just click start. All your things are going to be there. You have any files or documents, don't worry, it's going to be safe. So click start and it will do this for a few minutes, so I'll skip to when it happens, and yeah. So once it's done, and you can see look, I'm on Pro but it's not activated. What you want to do now is open up Firefox or download Firefox, link down in the description, then paste in the link. Now this link, there might be some inappropriate things on it as ads. That should be okay. So zippy share and click download. If any of these ads here say download, don't click them. Make sure it looks like that. So then save file and save it to your desktop and extract it. Open it. Now if you're on 32-bit, you click this one. If you're on 64-bit, you're on that one. And to check, all you need to do is go ahead, right click on PC, left click and then go to properties, and it says right there 64-bit. If you're 32, you click that one. 164, click that one. Just double click it, run it as administrator, then go to this wee cog thing and click install GVLK. So I'll just let it, well, mute my mic while it goes. So once it's installed, go ahead to click on Windows Activation, and just let it go. So yeah. So once it's done now, go back. Oh, still saying please wait, so it's not done. Right, so go back to the cog and make sure you have these are blacked out. If they're not blacked out, click on install GVLK and then go back to Office Activation. So just click OK. Back out of this. Go back to settings and click on properties. Now save Windows is activated. So that's it, like and subscribe.